Okay, so last time we had this apart, I looked at it and was thinking about this, but since I had to pull the R18 apart again for that leak, I decided to touch a file across the head here and see how flat this casting is. And I ran a file I set the file on the table and I ran the casting across it, and as you can see, there's a high spot here and along this edge and then along that edge, and there's a bubble there and a high spot there. So I am going to put the file on the table again and run this head on it a little bit to get it sort of close, and then I don't have a surface plate or anything, but I have glass, and I will put a piece of sandpaper on glass and polish this up a little bit to smooth that up for a better seal against the O-ring. And I am going to very carefully just brush a file across this surface too, because there's if the light will glint off it properly, it looks like there's little dings around the edge where the cylinder liner goes in, and at minimum, if the file catches those and around these holes, if it flattens those, that will make more room for the O-ring to do the sealing on the head, and that will be good. So I'm going to do that real quick before I get the sealant and the cylinder liner put back in to fix the leak.